If you wish to be entertained with a film about three hardcore motorcycle riders smoothly traversing the back roads of the western United States with no problems whatsoever, this may not be the film for you. Although, if you're into things that are pretty, we're into pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Succulents?
Oh, look at that.
Look at this guy. Or guys falling off their dirt bikes, encountering problems and drama and an assortment of challenging obstacles along the way. This may be just what you've been waiting for. Coming to YouTube this week and for several weeks after, ride along on our 2021 4-state 2,300-mile Transamerica Trail adventure. And if you haven't already, subscribe.